In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Aftership Webhook. Think of a webhook as a doorbell for your app. Whenever something changes in Aftership, like a shipment status update, it pings your server instantly with the details. Setting this up takes just a few minutes, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Aftership. From the results, click the official Aftership website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Aftership branding and the option to log in to the dashboard. Once the homepage loads, click Log In. Sign in with your existing credentials or your organization's single sign-on if that's what you use. After you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the left sidebar, look for the tracking section and click it. This is where shipment events originate, so it's the natural place for configuring notifications. Next, find and click Notifications and then select Webhooks. This area is dedicated to setting up the URLs that will receive real-time updates from Aftership. Now click Add Webhook URL, or you might see Create New Webhook depending on your plan or interface version. Both take you to the same configuration screen. Enter your destination URL, the endpoint on your server that will receive post requests from Aftership. Make sure the URL is publicly accessible and uses one of the supported ports, 80 for HTTP, 443 for HTTPS, or 8080. Whenever possible, choose HTTPS on port 443 for security. Your endpoint should be ready to accept JSON payloads, respond with a 2xx status when it processes data successfully, and ideally handle retries gracefully in case of network hiccups. If you need extra security or routing logic, you can optionally add up to 5 custom headers. This is useful for adding an authorization token, a shared secret, or any header your server checks before accepting data. Keep these values private and manage them securely on your end. Only include what your receiving service expects. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. The webhook is now active. From here, Aftership will start delivering event payloads to your URL whenever relevant tracking updates occur. If your endpoint logs requests, keep an eye on those logs to confirm receipts and troubleshoot quickly. And if you use a staging URL, remember to repeat these same steps for production when you're ready to go live. You've successfully set up an Aftership webhook. By connecting your tracking events directly to your systems, you'll get faster updates, cleaner automation, and fewer manual checks.